In a world that demands you share everything, the true power of the Stoic lies in what they keep within. Greatness lies truly within, but you must be intentional to have it find expression without. The Stoics, like Marcus Aurelius, believed in the strength of silence, guarding secrets that fuel our inner fortitude. Number 1. Your deepest fears. Keep them close, for they reveal your vulnerability. Number 2. Your ultimate ambitions. Let them drive you, but remain humble. Number 4. Your moments of weakness. They remind you of your humanity. Number 5. Your true intentions. Only you need to understand your purpose. Number 6. Your disappointments. Let them pass without seeking pity. Number 7. Your innermost peace. Cherish it, for it is the foundation of your strength. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more on Stoic motivation. See you on top.